Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by closing every Git-related program so files aren't locked. This prevents partial uninstalls. Once done, stop credential helpers and SSH agents because they can hold processes open. Make sure to export or backup. Git config and any SSH keys, you'll need them if you reinstall or migrate. Open Control Panel and find Git in Programs and Features to initiate the first uninstall. You're doing this to remove binaries cleanly before deleting residual files. Once the uninstaller finishes, you must remove leftover folders so no executables remain. Navigate to Program Files and %local app data % to delete Git and Git-related directories. This avoids conflicting versions later. Next, remove user-level configs in %user profile %like. Git config, Git credentials, and the SSH folder if you are willing to recreate keys. Then, edit environment variables to remove any Git paths from path. This prevents access. You can optionally open regedit and remove Git keys under HKLM and HKCU to erase traces, but be careful and export keys before changing anything. After cleaning files and registry, reboot so Windows clears cached path entries and any lingering services. Once restarted, open a terminal and run where Git to confirm removal. It should return nothing. If something still appears, check path and delete the offending entry. Then reinstall and uninstall cleanly if corruption persists. This often resolves stubborn remnants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.